Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then hi, my name is Brooke and it's nice to meet you. So today I'm going to just be doing kind of like a chill chit-chat, get ready with me / like my everyday summer makeup routine, because I feel like in the summer my makeup routine is very different than from like me trying to get glam or like trying to do like a lot of makeup, because during the summer and it's sweaty. Halfway through the day, if I'm wearing a lot of makeup, I'm gonna look like an oil painting. Like, put me in the freaking museum, call me Mona Lisa, it's not gonna be cute. So I'm gonna be showing you guys like basically my summer makeup routine and just kind of talk with you guys, because I haven't filmed a makeup video in a while. And I've been wanting to, so I figure why not just do it, you know? Why not? So I'm sorry if this video is awkward, but bear with me, you know what I'm saying? Bear with me, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope I'm like entertaining enough for you to actually stick around. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up. So first things first is I moisturize my face, but I already did that like off camera, because I mean I feel like everybody just moisturizes their face, and if you don't, well then like don't moisturize your face. But I've been using this, basically this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, and if you're not, I'll just like insert a picture over here or something so that way you can see it. So anyways, first things first is I do my eyebrows, which I already did off camera because, I don't know if you can tell, but this eyebrow over here kind of has a fade. Oh my gosh. So I was trying to pluck my eyebrows, and you know when you like brush them to the side and then you like trim like where they're like super long? Well, I did that, and I did that like a little too much. And I like made a little freaking dent in my eyebrow, and like my boyfriend thinks he's funny, and like right before he left, or like I went to start this video, he was like, why are you doing your eyebrows off camera? Are you supposed to do them on camera? And I was like, yeah, but I messed my eyebrow up and like it's not really cute, and I don't want to show it without it being kind of filled in, so that way you can like not see it as bad, but you probably can still notice it. And he was like, oh, so like your eyebrow got a taper, and like, does he want these hands? Because I was like, you could really square up right now trying to give me shit about my eyebrows, honestly. Yeah, basically, I did my eyebrows, and I went like with some of this foundation underneath here. Can you see it? I just went over this, like about how you're not going to be able to see it. But basically, like the foundation or like skin tint I use during the summer is the Sephora Bright Future skin tint. It has sunscreen in it, and it has SPF 25. I'm a very pale person, and like if you don't get sunburnt, you're so lucky, and I'm so happy for you. But me, I can look out the sun out the window and I'm gonna get sunburnt. It's kind of annoying, but you deal with it, you know what I'm saying? There's bigger problems in the world. It makes me look less full coverage than when I would normally be. If I'm trying to do a full-on face makeup, like full-on, like I'm going to a party, then I'll be wearing a different foundation, because this one is very thin and still see like acne scars through it a little bit. But like I said, during the summer I want something lightweight to where I'm wearing makeup, but I'm not wearing too much makeup, because like I said, oil painting situation, and I'm not the Mona Lisa for that. I'm not her. So I'm gonna go on with this before I keep talking about it, because I've been talking about it for like 15 minutes. Someone keep like a counter on how many times I say like in this video, and basically. Sorry, it's so annoying. So I just put some on my hand, and then I take my beauty blender. This isn't the beauty blender, it's like, I don't even know what brand beauty blender this is, I'm sorry. I'm like, not good, I know, but it's fine. Anyways, I'll just take it and start beating my face. Like I said, I just like want my skin to all look one tone, and I have a real problem with redness. Because I didn't go to college, or I do not go to college right now. If you didn't know that, now you know that. I don't go to college. It just wasn't the route for me. I mean, if that is like what you do and like your route, like more power to you, you know, get your education. And if that's not your route, then that's not your route. I just feel like people, how do I word this without like offending people? I feel like people are destined to go a certain way, and some people it's education and some people it's not. So for me, it just wasn't. I feel like I'm getting like totally lost in my sauce right now. But I probably should have put my hair up before I did this, but it's okay. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Ah! If that's making you cringe, like I'm putting foundation on my baby hairs, like don't worry, it's making me cringe too. For some reason, like I always forget to put foundation on like the inner corner. And I don't know why. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, like if it's picking up on camera or not, but with this like skin tint or whatever, you can still definitely see like if you have some like acne, it's gonna pop through a little bit, but I don't really care honestly. During the summertime, I'm hot from this freaking sweaty ass weather because where I live, right now, it should be hot as hell because it's almost summer, but it's raining outside, which is like, don't even get me started because I'm kind of sick, so if you can hear like me being nasally, I'm sorry. I shouldn't really be sick, but here we are. Thank you, California. I'm just gonna set my face with some translucent powder. The Maybelline, what is it called? Master Fix FaceStudio powder, and I use such a light amount because I've noticed with this powder that if you put a lot, like if I bake with this powder, I'm gonna get major flashback, but if I just put a light amount to set my face, it's good. But yeah, so this foundation, it kind of leaves, or like the skin tint, whatever the fuck, okay, show my face. It leaves your skin kind of dewy. So if you have oily skin, I don't know if I'd really recommend it, but if you have combo skin, I think it's a good one, like combo dry skin, it's a good one. If you don't set this like makeup, this foundation, this base, the skin tint, whatever the hell you want to call it, if you don't set it with some powder, halfway through the day, you're gonna get oily. You're going to. Just set it with powder, okay? Trust me, I speak from experience. Go from looking kind of dewy to looking like just like walked out of a steamer. So onto my face, I'm gonna use the butter bronzer, and I use it in the light shade. I'm gonna take the E.L.F brush, which is like my ride or die, my E.L.F bronzing brush, and I'm gonna just go onto my cheeks. So, do you guys watch basketball? I feel like not a lot of girls watch basketball. I mean, some girls watch basketball, but I like basketball, like the NBA. Like, woo, the Warriors this season. We're taking the playoffs, sis. We're taking them by storm. And if you're a girl and you like basketball, hey girl, what's up? My is blinking. Like my timer, or like the time that the video's been going. Probably like stop running your mouth and finish doing your makeup, bitch. I'm going. But yeah, I mean my life's going good. It's going pretty good. It's been a little hectic. Like I feel like personally, like personal life wise, I can't really touch on it on camera just because it's like my situation's weird. It's like a weird situation happening right now. But just know that like we're all good. Things are going good. My mom's been doing better, so that's good. Her dog, Tint, I don't know if like you've seen like my last video or not, but he's cute. He's a pit bull. He's gonna be her service dog. He's super hyper and happy. He's such a little puppy right now, but he's doing good. Like my mom will start having a seizure and sometimes jump on her face and start looking at her face while she's having a seizure, and he'll like catch on to it. I'm using the WetnWild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. Like I said, you're not gonna be able to see it, so like I'll put a picture over here, but it works good. My boyfriend, his name is Chris. I'm pretty sure, like, if you've watched my videos, you know his name. If you haven't watched my videos, his name's Chris. We've been together for 5 years. And this isn't an engagement ring, if you're wondering. It's just a promise ring. Because when he gave it to me, like, a year or 2 ago, but when he first gave it to me, everybody was like, you're engaged? Like, all his family. And I was like, no, it's just a promise ring. It's just a promise ring. It's just a promise ring. Anyways, put some highlight on my nose. Because I was doing that, but it cut off. So I'm gonna just do it right now. Again, you know? Yeah, this is like kind of a lengthy chit-chat, get ready with me type of like summer makeup routine. But I haven't talked to you guys in a while, especially like while I'm doing a makeup video. So if you guys like this, let me know and I can record more like this. But yeah, I kind of jumped all over the place as far as topics, and I didn't make a lot of sense probably, but I don't know, I was just ranting. This is like a ranty chit-chat, get ready with me type of thing, so I hope you guys like it, and if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. It helps me a lot. And I know my schedule is not consistent, anywhere near consistent at all, but I'm really gonna try. I'm really gonna try, because I feel like I have fun when I like record these videos. Even if it only reaches out to like 30 people, I still have fun doing it because it just gets my mind off things, it gets my mind off stress, you know, the typical life things. But yeah, it's fun for me, and I feel like I get to open up to like a group of people that I don't see every day and I don't normally talk to. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope that I'll get a new one out for you guys soon. I'm sorry, my life is so messy right now, and like I said, it's a lot of personal things I can't really talk about on camera, but just know that my schedule in real life isn't very consistent, so that's why my hosting hasn't been anywhere near consistent. But I really hope to like start recording more, because like I'm having fun doing it right now. It's fun, it gets my mind off things, and I feel like I focus a lot of my time on focus. I feel like I put a lot of my time and energy towards making sure that everyone around me is okay, and that everyone around me is doing good, and that like I'm trying to make sure that like they're doing things to make them happy, and I need to make sure that I'm doing things to make me happy too, and this makes me happy and I have fun doing it. So that's pretty much it. That's my rant. I'm sorry it was so long, and I'm sorry this video was all over the place, but I hope you got something out of it, or it made you laugh, or you know, got your mind off something. Like if you're stressed, I hope that this helped you get your mind off of that, you know, because that's what I look towards YouTube for. Like I'm always watching YouTube videos, like if I'm sad, or like if I'm upset, or like if I'm just bored. Like I just put my time into watching a video, and like, you know, you're just kind of focused on that video for a while, and it just helps you forget about whatever's going on around you. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it did that for you. And make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!